Good morning, it's Fran and this is Fran Toku Demo, and today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zest DX Inazuma Blaster. So here's the box, and we got here is the blaster, then the capsule include, then Zest Inazuma Plasma, and on the back is everything that you want to know about it, and on the side we got Inazuma Plasma, then the blaster. On the other side we got Inazuma Plasma and then the blaster and the content. On the top, we got the blaster, capsule include, then zest, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let the mission begin. Upgrade time. So first, let's do the capsule include, which is the plasma capsule. So this one is created by Baku through his first nightmare, which is lightning. So this one had a gold with glitter in color, and inside we got Zest doing lightning and disappear, or the opposite. And now let's bring back again Zest's driver, and I'm on it. Okay, so we got a height standby. Henshin. Okay, so now we transform into Zets Inazuma Plasma. So in this form, Zets can do lightning attacks and especially can move really fast as lightning. So he is in the same category as the Speedster Riders. So now let's do the finisher. Okay, so we got the plasma vanish, and for the second one. And here it is. Literally means lightning blaster, the primary weapon of Zets Inazuma Plasma. As you can see, it's a bladed bow, which is already a staple arm of every riders. Gold and silver in color with lightning bolt designs, especially on the handle. Yellowish dual blades and a capsem insert. And on the rear is also a lightning shaped lever. Once it pushed, the roller inside will spin. Now let's do the sounds, and unlike the Breakam arms, this had a switch. So let's turn this on. Okay, so no announcement, just lightning sounds. And when we push the trigger, it will do arrow shots since it's a bow. And it goes out here. And even I holding it, nothing happens because I was expecting other sounds. Or maybe the sound is for both arrow and blade. So who knew? And now to do a special attack. So this is by charging up, and to do that is by pushing down the lever. And we're going to do that 3 times. Okay, so it's charging up. Then push the trigger. And now let's do the finisher. So we're going to use plasma capsule on this, and let's go. Okay, charging up, and then the lever. Here goes the standby. Then okay, so there goes the plasma thunder. We can use other capsem, and the effect is kind of different, and that it depends on what kind of capsem is going to use. And to remove it is by pressing the button on the top, which is also same goes on the Bracam arms. So, and we're going to use the impact capsem. Okay, and then now there is one more mode, and all we need is the Bracam Zester's blade, and we're going to combine it by sliding it right here. So it goes. Just what it says. Now we had the Great Sword mode, which even more powerful arm. And when we push the trigger, it will do some electric charge heavy slashes. So we're going to do the special attack. Charging. It's still the same. And now to do the finisher, so we are going to load up again plasma capsem. So it goes. Recharging. Then okay, so now we had a new standby sound. Then okay, so now we got the Great Plasma Slash. So now we're going to do is to change again for another capsem. So we're going to use again impact capsem, and here goes. Okay, then then okay, so now we got the Great Inazuma Slash. Now let's scan this. And that's it for the DX Inazuma Blaster. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, mission over. Ciao.